What's up, guys? It's Sebastian. Today I'm going to be doing a video and today I'm going to be doing the one on Roblox. Today I'm going to be doing a game called Dance Off. So, well, let's get in. I'm going to be with my friend Joe. Say hello. Okay, let's do this. Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Oh my god. Huh? I'm not even on the game, Joe. I'm just joining. I just joined the game again. Why is this? Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Close the name list. Okay, I'm in the game, by the way. I know, Joe, you know what? I'm just gonna say hello to see if you're here. Hello. Did you see that? Lil. I put lil. Welcome to Baldi's Basics. Pardon, Joe? I know, like my uncle, he's out for summer because he hasn't no school on Friday. Lucky. No, we finish tomorrow. It's just my uncle doesn't have. Yeah, he finishes today. But we finish tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna be in 5th grade at the end of the summer vacation. Yeah, Joe. Hello, I'm rating everybody 1 star. Oh. Joe, I'm trying to give them 0 stars. Control Alt Delete. Joe, Control Alt Delete. Let's do it. I'm just kidding. No, don't. Okay, she's a dancer. Okay. Wow. Everybody's jumping. Oh my god. How much cash? I only have 500, yeah. Don't ask. I just didn't. Let me see how much. It's 3,000 Robux for 18,009. Okay. You know what? Let's see how much. Oh my god, 800 Robux. The winner is. Who's the winner? I know. Oh yeah, she's bold. Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Yeah, guys, go check out that video. Welcome to Baldi's Basics. Oh my god, somebody's called Tamer, and they had 75. Oh yeah, this is our thingies here. Okay, it's time out for 30 seconds. Son. Yeah, I'm in your game. Look, come right here. Yay, you did great. Dude, you know what I'm just gonna do? When the timeout is finished, I'm gonna go get the hair that I got last time, make it dye red like mine. I'm gonna try to find my exact ones. Wait, hey, rude kid. Boo noob. What cool hair what hair do you have? Anyway. But dude, it's different opinions. It's different opinions. But can you show me what it is? Yo, I see myself right there. Joe, I'm in your squad. I joined your squad. Reggae? Oh, dude, the category is reggae, so pick like reggae hair. So, no, I'm gonna do the afro. The afro is reggae. Dude, that. Joe, I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna find some reggae hair. I'm just, yeah, I'll find you. No, Joe, this hair is reggae, look. Wait, where is it? Joe, this is reggae. Okay. Okay. Anyway, yo, I'm just gonna be going. Okay. I'm gonna find a package. And some stuff. Yeah, spooky, scary skeleton. They send shivers down everybody's spine. Spooky. Nah, I'm just picking some stuff. What should I pick? Joe. I'm not doing Octo. I'm gonna do this superhero package, baby. Was I will after Joe. Yo, Joe, where are you? I'm going to the clothes shop now. Yeah, about a minute ago. Okay. I got some reggae thing. Yeah, I'm a novice. Oh my god. I know. I'm gonna try to get high. Like. Dude, I'm just gonna go have looks. Like, Joe, I'm in the bin. Wait, I'm in the bin. I mean, I'm on top of the bin. Somebody's like, hi. Actually, I'm higher ranked. That means I'm better than you. Look at yourself and don't bully. Well, I'm not bullying. I'm gonna make up a fake name. Todd. Oh wait, she's a girl. Okay. Club Nightcore. Oh, remember Nightcore? Remember Nightcore Believer? Joe, I was going with the flow and just doing reggae. Yo, I think I'm gonna be last. I'm gonna be last. Yeah, dude. We should do breakdance. Joe, what about if we do, Joe, what do you think we should do? What do you think we should do? I don't use arrow keys. I only use them to look around. Everybody gets 0 stars because I want us to win. Somebody said, wow, not bad. Okay, Joe, let's just go. I'm just waiting for us. Okay, dude, we're on. Woo! Hey! Look at me. Yeah, that looks like Orange Justice. This one. It looks like I'm doing armpit farts. Reggae! Hey! I got some reggae. A rookie with a bright future. Yes! I'm a rookie, but I have a bright future. I'm gonna win. Yeah, we're gonna win. But he said a rookie with a bright future. I think that's good. Joe, I hope that I'm not a novice after this. How many matches did it take? How many dance-offs did it take you? Yeah, anyway, Joe. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications, and don't forget to subscribe to his channel. It'll be in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.